Hi, I'm Dr. Liz, a licensed psychologist and founder of Visionistas by Design. I am so excited to present to you this virtual interactive workshop, Healthy by Design. I am thrilled to see my vision for this workshop becoming a reality today. The workshop will include weekly interactive video conference meetings. The video conference meetings will occur at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on consecutive Tuesday evenings beginning Tuesday, May 12th and ending on Tuesday, June 16th. I'm delighted to be introducing my team of expert collaborators who will be working together with me to deliver this amazing, empowering opportunity for personal growth and development.
Thank you so much. I'm Hannah. So like Dr. Liz said, I will be the workshop moderator. So I'm just super excited to keep empowering women. As Dr. Liz said, it's something I'm super passionate about, and I really hope to continue in the future in my future career.
I am so excited and honored to be a part and kick us off. It starts in your mind. Once you make the choice, you join us, and then I get to lead you in the best tips to set up your mindset so that you can maximize your results for the 6-week workshop. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Dr. Liz. I'm honored to be here and working with all of these fabulous women. So, hey friend, I'm Brianna Nikolich. I'm a wife, I'm a mom. Our segment, it's gonna be prioritizing self-care and how to break free from that cycle of emotional sabotage.
So I'm Paula. I'm a certified personal trainer. I believe exercise is the fountain of youth. And at any age, you can exercise and achieve the goals that you want. There's many benefits to exercise, not just physically, but mentally as well. So I'm going to be talking definitely about the benefits of exercise and the fountain of youth.
As you said, my name is Dr. Dominique Pritchett, and I am a mental health clinician, speaker, and creative entrepreneur. And I am just so thrilled to be facilitating the workshop titled Reservoir of Resilience. My mission in life is to educate, empower, and engage women and girls while igniting opportunities for them to tap into their best self.
Hi guys, I'm Ashley Thomas. I am owner and stylist at 610 Hair Studio. We will be doing investing in the beauty and power of your soul in my segment. I'm really very passionate about personal growth and always striving to set the bar higher and never stop setting new goals. And that's something that Liz and I talk about literally every time she's in my chair.
Hello, everyone, and thank you so much, Dr. Liz, for another opportunity to collaborate with you. Again, my name is Veronica Moore, and I am so excited to engage with all of you, especially these wonderful panelists and expert collaborators that we have here. I was listening and I'm like, man, I need to be there for every single week to feed myself. And we're going to close it out by talking about igniting the power in your purpose. There are things that everyone wants to achieve in life. We all want to be purposeful. We all want to be successful. And so I know that anything that Dr. Liz puts together, there is going to be magic included. And
we would love for you to be a part of this workshop. So you would go to visionistasbydesign.com, click on Healthy by Design. You can also find more information on Instagram at Visionistas by Design and on Facebook at Visionistas by Design. I want to thank you again, all of my expert collaborators. Thank you for your time, your energy, and I cannot wait to see how much fun we have and how many lives are touched by all of your spirit, energy, and inspiration. So thank you so much.